on your reasoning for asking.
There's been so much publicity surrounding not only this case, but other cases involving police officers from 2006 when Officer Ford was shot in Hartford, and also in 2008 when Officer Lindsay was shot in Utica. So this, the media has really focused on this case because of the death of another police officer. So, I really believe that trying to choose a jury is going to be a little difficult because it's a high-profile case and people have heard about it. So, and they might have already formed opinions. I mean, we've put all of that in our motion papers, along with some examples from some of the media.
What are the chances of that being granted?
I doubt at this point that the judge will grant a change of venue. Normally what happens is that once you start jury selection, it gives the judge a better idea and gives us a better idea if in fact a jury pool is tainted by pretrial publicity.
Can you talk about your client, maybe his state of mind, what he's feeling right now?
Medically, he is progressing and he is improving.
But emotionally?
He's cooperating with us and putting our case together.
Let me ask you, is the point to find a jury that hasn't been subjected to all this pretrial publicity, or is the point to find a jury who can disregard that and still render a fair and impartial verdict?
I would tell you that it is both. That you want someone who has not formed an opinion either way, and normally you would like to have a juror that has not been tainted by a lot of pretrial publicity and commentary. We certainly don't want someone that has been blogging back and forth about this case. And there's been, we have part of the motion, and not the change of venue part, is the texting and tweeting and the Facebook things, because there have been over the last few years a lot of instances across the country where jurors have been in the jury box, plus in the jury room deliberating and tweeting, and twittering, and all the other things that politicians normally get in trouble for doing. So we've included in our motion a request to the judge to warn the juror against that kind of activity, and the cell phones.
Has that process started, the jury selection process?
No, the jury selection process won't start until December 5th.
I see. And your next date for motions?
Next week we'll be in for the district attorney to answer the motions and for the judge to decide them.
So what is your client facing right now, just for the record?
Life without parole.
Anything else?
That's it. That's enough.
Thank you.